Welcome back to our channel. Today we are running some catfish noodles on Pickwick Lake. It is a beautiful Saturday, so we decided to take advantage of the calm waters because it is calm in the morning times on the lake until you get to about lunchtime, and then the wake boats come out and it's just pretty bad for fishing when you're running noodles anyway. But we did pretty good. We got a lot of bites. Fun fact, listen, when these noodles get to bobbing or they appear to be going in different directions, they have fish on them, I immediately want to go get the noodles right then. But it is good to let them bob and sit there a minute and do their thing so the fish can get hooked properly, because sometimes they're not all the way on that hook. The fish.
A nice one.
It appears we got into a school of little channel cats, which are Donnie's absolute favorite. I like the big blues because I like to feel the tug, but he likes the little channel cats. But I like to call them things bait getters because I've noticed they like to get the bait and not the hook. Nope. No bait. Bait getters. Just floating up to this one.
Huh?
It's just floating up to that one. Oh, come up on that hot. Didn't mean to. Bait or no? No bait. Whew. Bait getters. Right.
Chunky.
Final noodle. Nothing. It was biting good this morning. Donnie wanted to take a little ride up the Tennessee River to do some pole fishing, so here we go. good one. Pole bender.
I mean, just throw it out.
Need the net.
I had to hit him right between the eyes when I throw that.
Let me get the net. That's a good one. Yeah, you did just throw that out.
Yeah, I missed it. The first time I threw it out, as soon as it hit the bottom, I missed one. And then I threw it out again and go.
That was him.
I mean, we ain't been here 2 minutes.
You need something?
Yeah, I'm tangled everywhere.
That's why we need to film in person right there. He gets irritated at me sometimes because he's like, yeah, hand me this. I'm like, okay, I'm trying to get that content, okay? Trying to make us some money over here. Anyway, hey, if y'all want to volunteer to come film, just say the word. Say the word. I'm kidding. I'll figure it out, okay? I'll figure it out. I do have a body mount where I can put my phone, camera, whatever, and film where I can be hands-free, so I'm going to just have to dig it out and use it, okay? We decided to head on back to the camper after doing just a little pole fishing because we looked on the radar and there was some heavy rain coming. I was over there hoping it would dissipate before we even got to the campground or got en route. The clouds were clouding. We could see the rain in a distance, but it never rained on us, so I was thanking God for that. Don't forget to like, hype, and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'll see y'all in our next video.